Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on today's video, we're going on a cruise, a Disney cruise. This is going to be an epic vlog, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. It's Saturday morning right now. We're taking a train there in our car, so we're leaving around like 11:30. Train leaves 5. We go overnight, then we're there on Sunday is where we depart from Florida to the cruise. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next one. Peace. That's the cruise. Look how big that is.
That's what she said.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Love is all we'll ever trust.
Do you see how this was car? Yes, it's powered by the wall.
We made it. We made it. What's up, guys? We are on our way to lunch. What's up, guys? Day 1 about to wrap up. We have dinner later and that's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far.
Look at this dude.
We're gonna go to dinner soon, so I'll see you guys there. Peace. Well, that's a wrap on day 1 of the Disney cruise. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Also, all the other parts will be coming out soon as well, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.